I have some good news for you. More people are going to make more money in the next few years than have been made in all of human history. In the 1900s, there were 5,000 millionaires in this country. By the year 2000, that number had jumped to 5 million millionaires. That's an increase of 1,000%. In the last 2 years alone, that number has again increased to 9 million millionaires, and virtually all of them are self-made. What's my point? What if I told you you could be one of those millionaires? You could earn enough money to send your kids to college, pay off all your bills, and live the life you've always dreamed of but never thought was possible. Well, it is possible. And we're not talking about a get-rich-quick scenario or multi-level marketing scheme. We're talking about earning money on currency exchange rates. Hi, my name is Penny Carden, and in the next few minutes we're going to show you how you may make money by simply trading dollars for other currencies on the ever-changing exchange rate. Thousands of people like you and I are doing this for a living every day. So give me just a few minutes of your time and let me show you how SmartCharts may change your life.
The Forex, the foreign currency exchange, has a daily trading volume of $3.7 trillion, 24 hours a day, worldwide. Traditionally, currency trading on the Forex has only been within the reach of large banks, multinational businesses, and the super wealthy elite. Today, truck drivers, housewives, and the unemployed alike are all realizing the potential of trading on the Forex to supplement or even replace their income. So how do these ordinary people get rich trading currency on the Forex? They all have one thing in common. They are all using SmartCharts. SmartCharts is a revolutionary software system that graphs the fluctuation of exchange rates, displays trading trends, and uses proprietary insider analysis to draw attention to trading targets. With SmartCharts, all of this information and more is at your fingertips. And SmartCharts is accessed off the internet in the comfort of your home or anywhere you can access the internet. With SmartCharts, you don't have to be an experienced trader or a wealthy entrepreneur to make large profits in the Forex. Stay with us and see how SmartCharts can change your life.
Gosh, it's so exciting that I can actually have anything I want. I can have the life that I've been wanting to create, and it's fun to do.
This is the way to go. There's guys in there that are trading a couple hours a day and reaching all their goals. So, I know it can be done by the average person. I've never traded before. I've never traded any stock market, nothing. I have no background whatsoever in that, and I'm understanding this, so it can be done.
I'll show you my chart here. We got in at the very bottom down here where we're supposed to, and it's gone up considerably, and it's up about actually 39 points per lot.
So what does that mean?
It means that it's up $390 per lot and almost $400 per lot, and at 5 lots that's a couple $1,000.
In how long?
We've been in it now we're going on 20 minutes right now. That's not bad.
My income for the first, month and a half has been about $45,000.
It's as simple as waiting on 2 lines to either cross up or cross down, and that's all you have to do. I mean, everybody can wait for 2 lines to cross and press a button.
Well, it's not quite that simple. It does require some training to learn how to read the charts and learn the rules of the system. But I don't want you to worry. You can learn how to find and execute a few trades all in a weekend. The follow-up support and ongoing training is all free. Think about the potential. We have traders that have earned literally millions of dollars with a system that they learned over a weekend. How long does it take to become a doctor or a lawyer? Years. And the expense. Well, it's far out of reach of most people. So this is your chance to be your own boss, set your own schedule, and live life by your own rules. By now, I'm sure you'd like to see how the system works. So to show you some examples and explain the charts is my friend Daniel Rogers. Daniel, thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me, Penny.
Well, it'd be great if you would explain to me what makes SmartCharts so remarkable.
Be happy to. I'd like to start by saying that this is a learned skill. I believe that anybody can learn to do this. If you can learn to drive a car, you can learn to trade the Forex. And I'll tell you why. Because when you first learned to drive a car, it seemed complicated, didn't it? It seemed like there was a lot going on. And now you're drinking coffee, you're talking on the phone or whatever. So let me bring up the charts here.
Okay.
You can see here we have the dollar-euro combo. As you can see, this is real-time data, the current price of the dollar against the euro.
Okay,
it's fallen a bit.
But that looks like bad news.
Why do you say that?
Well, it's going down, right?
I knew you were going to say that. See, this is the most common misconception with the Forex. That this is not like the stock market. You know that everybody knows the stock market, you only get paid when it goes up. And the Forex, we have the opportunity to make money whether it's going up or down. See, when it goes up like this, we buy. When it goes down like this, we sell. So, see this right here? If I would have found a good reason to get in the market right here and rode that all the way down to here, I would have easily have made a couple $1,000s off that trade right there.
In one day?
In one trade. These trades happen every day, 5 days a week.
That's very impressive, but how do you know when the market is going to move that much?
Well, if you look here, right there, see that black arrow? This is one of the many indicators that we have that tell us. Look right here, it's telling us that the market is going to turn around when it hits this level. And if you look, that's exactly what it did. It hit that mark exactly and fell. You know what the most exciting part about this is? That arrow was there 8 hours ago. Can you imagine having that kind of knowledge, knowing what the market's going to do 8 hours in advance?
That would be like getting tomorrow's newspaper.
Yeah, or, you know.
Wow. So the software found that trade and put the arrow there?
Yeah, it found the trade for you. It's doing all the work for you. And the charts are updated every market open.
Really?
Here's some really exciting news, though. Master traders on the other end of the servers, they post their personal trade entries that they're about to make. Can you believe that? Have you ever wished that you could follow a successful person around and do whatever it is they've been doing to earn money?
Yes.
Well, here's your chance. Of course, we never recommend that without first exploring a demo account or something like that to learn the system.
That's very exciting, but I can't help but note all this up and down movement in the market. So could I have not made money here
There.
or here?
Here, yeah. Yeah, you could if you were lucky. Let me tell you why. See this area here? Technically, this is called the daily trading range. We call it the dogfight. This is where most traders are trading, and this is where most traders are losing their money. I'll show you why. The market in this area is just too unpredictable. There's no way of knowing this movement. Let me show you something here. We have these proprietary bank lines. See here these green lines? See these green lines here and here? These often coordinate with bank resistance and support levels. I know, English, right? Basically, it gives you a range. See, this gives you a floor, this gives you a ceiling. See, these people over here, they don't know they're trading in the dogfight. They don't have any reference. These bank lines, what happens when the market approaches these bank lines? You know, when the market hits one of these lines, it's got my attention because I know that it's about to reverse.
Wow.
No other software in the world has this information.
Wow.
Now, don't you think that would be pretty good information to know? Because what we're looking for in this, we don't want to trade in this area. What we're looking for is safe trades. When the market hits these extremes, it's a pretty safe trade that it's going to reverse. So we're looking for safe trades with the highest potential for success.
Well, you know, I'm looking at this and I'm starting to wonder if I'm going to be strapped to my computer all day, like the day traders in the stock market that sit there in the office all day and click, click, click.
Right. Not at all. In fact, the software has an alarm system where you can set alarms to sound when your trade is getting close. It can even text your phone or send you an email. In fact, some traders will set the computer by their bed and they will set the alarm to go off. Because remember, we said the Forex trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So they set the alarm to go off for their trade. It goes off. They wake up. They confirm the signal. They place the trade. And they have the opportunity to make $100, $200, $1,000. And then they go back to bed. Can you believe that?
That sounds like a great way to make a living.
Well, sure it is. I've got to tell you, the alarm system is one of the most important parts of the software to me. And I'll tell you why. Because in trading, as in life, timing is everything. For example, what if I told you the bank downtown was going to open the vault and let you haul off as much money as you could carry? There's only one caveat. You had to be there at 9:42 sharp. Would you be there?
I'd be there.
Of course you would. I mean, and well, that's how trading is at times. You need to be there when the trade is ready for you. That's what makes the alarm so great. You set the alarm so you don't have to sit at your computer all day. You know when the trades are ready, and you're there.
There are so many great things about this system. We couldn't possibly tell you all of it in this brief commercial, so we'd like to invite you to a free seminar that we'll be holding in your area soon. It's absolutely free, there's no obligation, and it's open to anyone. Ask questions, talk to the traders, find out more information, and see if it's something that's right for you. You can have the life you've always dreamed of. Quit your job, go on vacation, and send the kids to college. The Forex has made millionaires out of many people in the world. Why not call now? In life, you're always just one decision away from changing your entire life. Right now, you're just a phone call away from making the best decision you'll ever make. Call now.